Hey guys, I don't have purple hair anymore. Please go watch my other video on how I went purple so you can understand the story of what happened, I guess. So I went purple and I'm gonna tell you what happened and the color it faded out to, because it was a disaster. Okay. My hair was purple and it was fading out after a couple of weeks and it faded out to this blue. Blue started turning out like some type of silver, gray, blue. So that's the color it was fading out to. And then after that, it faded out to green. So what I decided to do, if you're a professional, I'm sure you're gonna be like, that, why would you do that? I don't know why I did it, but either way, my hair was gonna turn out green. So I bought a blonde box dye. I thought that it would like strip out a lot of color. I don't know what's going on with my head. I did it before when I had purple hair and it worked, but this time it didn't work. It just made my green hair a lot lighter. I basically just went with the color wheel, so I was like, I gotta go red. But I don't want to go red. I put red hair dye, applied some conditioner all over my hair, and this is how it turned out. So the good thing is that I took out a lot of my green hair. So my hair turned out this blonde with tint of like ink, which I'm gonna insert more photos, videos. It was okay. I didn't like blonde on like light blonde. I mean, like I look really bad. So what I did was I bought this and I got this color afterwards. This is a color I got afterwards, and as you can see, there's no more green, which is what I wanted. No, I suggested to not use this specific brand. Well, not the whole brand, but this color from that brand, because it turns green. And it wasn't just me, but my cousin used the same hair dye and her hair turned out green. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy these little bloopers, or I don't even know what I'm doing in these videos, but yeah, subscribe and yeah, bye.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?